If you feel like you've been trying to grow out your hair forever and your hair is still stuck at the same length, this video is for you. Trust me, your hair is growing, but there may be a few things that you are doing or not doing that is preventing you from seeing the length retention or just get healthy hair. So let's get into it. Number one, you are not properly washing your hair. I'm going to say this over and over again on my channel. You have to have clean hair in order for your hair to grow, in order for you to have healthy hair. I know a lot of hair gurus say that you shouldn't clarify your hair more than once a month, but I'm here to say that is just not enough for most of us. Most of us are putting a lot of butters, gels, serums, creams, and now they're really just using grease. You need to clarify your hair. If your hair is filled with a lot of product, a lot of buildup, your hair is not able to grow because it has so much product on it. So in order for your hair to grow and you see the length retention, you have to clarify your hair. And number two, you are touching your hair too much. The more you touch your hair, the more you run your fingers through your hair or just curl it or do anything to it, creates friction in your hair, and it causes your cuticle to raise, and then it causes the moisture to leave, which makes your hair dry, and then your hair breaks off. In order to prevent this, the best thing to do is put your hair in protective styles where you don't touch your hair throughout the week. Low manipulation is the goal. The less you touch it, the more length you keep. This is literally why I say just leave your hair alone and let it be. Number three, you are cutting your hair way too much. I know the natural hair community loves to say trim your hair every 3 months, but trimming your hair does nothing for your growth. You need to trim your hair when you need to. You are consistently washing your hair and have a consistent wash hair routine. Your hair and your ends should stay healthy for up to 6 months to a year. I personally do not cut my hair every 3 months. I probably cut my hair every 6 months, and sometimes I cut it once a year because I am very consistent with my wash day routine. And my hair is very, very healthy when it's curled and when it's straight. So as long as you have a healthy hair care routine in place that you're consistent with, you should be able to go up to 6 months to a year without actually getting a haircut. Number four, you keep dyeing or putting chemicals in your hair. I know us girlies love to color our hair. I am one of those girls. I used to color my hair so many colors, but I'm here to tell you that those chemicals are breaking your hair off. There are some safe ways to get your hair dyed if you want to go to a specialist that know exactly what she's doing, like a curl specialist or a dye specialist. But regardless if you get it done healthy or not, those chemicals still alter your hair. It makes it weaker, and so then it ultimately breaks off in the long run. Number five, this one is probably the most important one. It has nothing to do with hair, and it has everything to do with you, which is self-care. Your hair is a reflection of your whole body. So when you are stressed out, not eating right, running on empty, it can actually show up in your hair. There is a lot going on in the world today, and there's like so many things that we are dealing with. So I feel like self-care is probably the number one thing that you can do to just stop, take a breather, and take care of yourself. You need to eat right, make sure you're drinking enough water, go on walks, work out if you need to, like do whatever it is that you need to bring peace to yourself so that it can reflect in your daily routine, which can also reflect in your hair care routine, and just basically taking care of yourself. That is it, you guys. I hope these tips were able to help you guys on your healthy hair journey. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in a comment. I respond to all of my comments, and I will be uploading more videos on tips on how to get length retention and just basically get healthy hair overall. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.